channel how to log in into ChatGPT. So first of all, if you on mobile, just go on the App Store and just type in the source bar ChatGPT. After this tab, so right now I will just have already downloaded and you will just have to open. Right now you will have to continue with Apple or continue with Google or sign up or login. So I will just have Google. So we will just want to permission to sign in. So just for continue, and it will be just authentication of your Google account to give permission. So right over here, as you can see, we will move in the top left corner, and this is my ID of Google. So in this way, you will just have to log in. You will just also have already create your account. So you will just give them an email and a password and just sign up. Thank you so much for watching.